Hello everyone, this is Thomas Popp from Video Mantis, and I'm joined with my good friend Ken Strain, who has created a course that's geared towards boom operators in the beginning to intermediate level. It's called Boom Operator Masterclass. Ken, why don't you tell us a little bit more about yourself?
Well, I've been booming since 1993, and I started out doing non-union features and then progressed into television. So most of my career has been working in very fast-paced television environments, and then I sprinkled it in with some features every now and then when I can. They're a nice little like break from television. But television is really where you learn the hard knocks and you really have to dial in your skills and understanding because there's no time. And there is multiple cameras and you're moving very quickly and everything has to sound good the first time. They don't have a big budget to like replace all the dialogue. So if it's not working on, they will get rid of you. No problem. So it is a very like pressure environment to be working, especially on a big TV show like House or Lost that, has very challenging environments, big counts of cast, and, the expectation is to perform, So these are the places where your skill, your experience, your understanding really comes into play, and you will learn things on these kinds of shows too, And features have their own challenges that are interesting, but you have more time to deal with them, which is kind of nice,
Ken, one of the things that made me start Video Mantis in the past was the fact that there's a lack of sound knowledge out there that really just drives truth into what we do. And those skills are something that aren't taught in a lot of these groups online and places where people are getting their information.
Right. And film schools don't really teach it either because no one wants to do sound. Everyone wants to direct.
Exactly.
So, I'm kind of bringing sort of a niche of the boom operator, which is where the sound starts. We're the guys right on set, men, women, right on set, picking up the sound. This is the place where mistakes are first felt all the way down the chain. So it's good to dial this part of it in and make this part solid and easy to do, So I agree.
So what makes a successful boom operator?
On one hand, one can say that being a boom operator is about holding a microphone over an actor's head.
Right.
That is the most basic definition of being a boom operator. But what we really strive to be is sound people who are bringing like more than just a mic over an actor's head, but balancing dialogue and dealing with weird acoustics. And we work in less than ideal conditions
All the time.
That's where our listening and our experience comes into play, because less than ideal conditions, which are basically all the time, make the job the fun and challenge that it is,
Exactly.
So, I would say a successful boom operator is one who can do the job with relative ease, interfaces well with the crew, is friendly to work with, and handles situations and problems with calmness. You get those elements together and you will have success. People will call you. And you'll know you're successful when you're turning down jobs because you have too many jobs. And you're like, I can't do that job, I can't do that job. And okay, I've achieved some success here,
So Ken, why don't you break down this course a little more and tell people what they're going to be getting into?
The way I've broken the course down is we start with the equipment. So I cover that for about an hour of just how to set everything up, and that way you have the most success. The importance of the equipment is key to how I work. And then the next part is physically being a boom operator, how to hold the pole, move the pole, adjust for different things. Actors, blocking, all the different situations we find, I show you how to get through it in a very efficient, easy way. And then the next part is how we function on set. And I even throw in a few wiring tricks, my old wiring tricks that I've used for years that I've had a lot of success with. But the primary part of the third part is how to work with the crew and how to get what you need from the crew, from everyone around you, and the actors, everything. Just how to work with everybody.
Ken, I've been doing this for 15 years and I still learned things from this course. Who is this course for?
This course is basically for anyone who holds a boom pole, and even if they've just started, like doing like student films, you know, new. You can be brand new, but you've tried this. You've held a boom pole and you've decided you're gonna try this, maybe do a short film, all the way to 10 years. So from student film beginning to 10 years experience, that's for you. Because you're gonna learn so much in those first 10 years, and I can bring that learning curve right back down to your first year.
Everyone, this course is a game changer. If you're a boom operator, not taking this course versus taking this course is literally going to catapult you into the future. You're going to eliminate years of confusion and troublesome times and sore shoulders when you could just be learning how to boom right. This is Thomas Pop from Video Mantis. I'm here with Ken Strain. We'll see you on the inside.